Greeting, fellow soul travelers. I'm Esther, and today's Wednesday Wisdom is standing in your own power can and will enable another to stand in their own. One of my favorite authors, Marianne Williamson, wrote a poem called A Return to Love. And in it she says, and as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people's permission to do the same. And I can't agree more. When we stand in our own power, we become a beacon for others. We give others hope and inspiration. There are so many ways we can enable the people around us, especially the ones that are close to us. And most of the time, we are enabling them in a negative way. We make excuses for why they can't or won't move forward with their hopes and dreams. We allow them to use us as toxic dumping grounds for all their negative fears, whining and complaining about how bad life is treating them. We support the monuments of excuses they build and the failures that result from them. Even though we don't agree with them, and we know this kind of behavior is detrimental, we continue to enable them because it is easier than standing up to them by standing in our own power. When you stand in your own power, you enable those around you in a positive way. You allow them to see if you can do it, they can also. You raise the bar. You set a new standard. So what does that look like, you might ask? Well, I'm glad you asked. First, you must be in integrity with yourself. You must be willing to stand for what you know to be right, not because there is a reward or praise for doing it, but simply because it is right. Even if no one is looking or knows of your action, you must do the right thing for the right reason. You must be willing to speak your truth, even in the most intimidating situation. Let no one put you in an uncompromising position. Make your own choices. Be very clear that it is your choice of how you show up. And most of all, you must be willing to go after your hopes and dreams with all your heart and soul and live your life to the fullest. That is what it looks like. For only you can empower yourself. No one else can. And by empowering yourself, you stand tall and take on your own power suit. You become a spiritual superhero among your family, friends, and peers. Those around you hope again. They begin to dream and anticipate their future. They're encouraged and they have renewed faith. And they become inspired and motivated, all because you decided to stand in your own power. How about that? Now, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below and share it with your friends and family. Love and light.